Hey there, and welcome. Today, we are diving into a topic that's a total game changer for how teams get things done. We're talking about the Agile delivery method and how you can use it to seriously crank up your productivity. So let me ask you something. When you look at your current to-do list, are you actually able to prioritize what's most important? Or does it feel like you're just constantly putting out fires and responding to whoever shouts the loudest? And how about this one? You've spent weeks, maybe months, crafting the perfect project plan. Everything's lined up, and then bam, a key requirement changes. Does that one little change send your entire project completely off the rails? If that sounds familiar, trust me, you are not alone. Well, if any of that is hitting close to home, there is a solution to all that project chaos, and it's called the Agile method. So let's break down what that actually means. So what is Agile, really? At its heart, it's all about building things step by step, in small, manageable chunks. This approach is what gives your team the superpower to react to those unexpected changes. It's built on collaboration and making sure everyone on the team feels a real sense of ownership over the project's success. Now, we can talk about the basics all day, but the best way to really get agile is to see it in action. So we're going to use the outline of a 2-day transformation course to really explore the key ideas you need to become a master. Let's take a peek inside that curriculum. Okay, the very first thing you got to grasp is that this is a total mindset shift. On one hand, you've got the traditional way, trying to predict every single detail from the start and then fighting against any changes. But on the other hand, you have Agile, which is adaptive. It fully expects that things will change and is actually structured to embrace those surprises. It's a completely different way of thinking. And to build that new mindset, you need a solid foundation. That starts with the Agile Manifesto, the core values that guide everything, like valuing people over rigid processes. Then you've got the Agile principles, which are the essential building blocks for success. And hey, this isn't just theory. It's all backed up by proven benefits that companies report every year in things like the State of Agile report. Once you've got that foundation, then you can get into the fun stuff, the actual tools. See, Agile isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. You've got different flavors, like Scrum, which works in short bursts called sprints, or Kanban, which helps you visualize your workflow so you don't get overwhelmed. The real goal is to find what works for you, and maybe even create your own custom hybrid model that's perfect for your team. You know, you can have the best tools in the world, but if the team isn't clicking, it doesn't matter, right? A huge part of Agile is about building an amazing team. That means understanding what a self-organizing team actually is, one that can manage its own work, and making sure rules are crystal clear so everyone can work together successfully. The real engine that drives all of this is continuous improvement. It's all about this inspect and adapt cycle. Basically, after every short burst of work, the team gets together. They show off what they built, they review their progress, and they hold something called a retrospective. It all boils down to asking one simple, super powerful question. How can we do this even better next time? This makes sure you're always getting better. Okay, so after all that, what's the payoff? What are the actual skills you'll walk away with that you can use in your career right now? Let's talk about the tangible outcomes. Here's what you'll be able to do, for real. You'll be able to run that full plan, do, check, act cycle like a pro. You'll be able to inject real innovation and creativity into how you deliver work. And you'll be the one providing proactive solutions that help your whole organization grow. I mean, these are seriously high-impact skills. So you might be thinking, okay, this sounds cool, but is it really for me? Well, let's take a look at who benefits the most from learning this stuff. The short answer is it's for a huge range of people. Whether you're a project manager, an analyst, a developer, a tester, or a leader like an IT manager or director, these skills are absolutely invaluable. You know what? Basically, if you are involved in delivering anything and you want to do it better, this is for you. So that's a quick tour of the Agile world, and it really just leaves one question, doesn't it? Are you ready to finally optimize your productivity and completely transform the way your team works? Because learning these principles might just be the most important step you take. Thanks so much for tuning in.